welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to make a little video today. I went shopping and I wanted to do a little haul video for you. I went to TJ Maxx and Target. I did make a video for you, but somehow dumb me must have bumped the button, and when I was actually recording, I had the phone turned around this way for a minute as I was walking in to talk to you guys, and then when I turn it back around, I must have bumped it off. So I was walking through the store talking to myself. Gosh, I probably look like an idiot. But I did get like the tiniest little clip, and I'll insert that here. Really big clip, huh? That was about it. Anyway, I want to do a little haul. I was just looking around for some things that I needed, and I also wanted to just pick up a couple things for in the giveaway box for my 100 subscriber giveaway. I'm going to start out with TJ Maxx. Okay. Now, I mean, I did get a lot of drugstore things, but I did get a couple high-end also. So, I mean, there's a little bit of both, but there's enough, like, to do full face. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. So, the first thing I got was for you guys for the giveaway. This is a little makeup and brush organizer. Just a little mini one. But that's for the giveaway. And, okay, I picked one of these up for myself, and I decided to pick up one for you guys too. It is the Smashbox Spotlight Palette Gold. It's a little highlighting palette. And these are the little colors in there. But I will show you what it looks like. Comes with a little booklet here on how to do it. And then it just looks like this. Ugh. It looks like that. Some nice little highlights. This one's mine, so I'll swatch it for you guys. Ooh, there's those. You can see them. I think I swatched them like wrong. Ah, there. Hopefully you can see them. Thought that was like, I don't know, just something different. I hadn't put any highlights in there yet. Oh, and I just got it all over my shirt. Okay. And next, I picked up, I'm going to go back and forth with like things I got myself, things I got you guys. I found this really nice Kevin Akon. It's a loose shimmer shadow set. I got this for myself. I don't have any of these yet, but that's what those look like. I thought they were pretty, really pretty, like especially for like, ooh, everyday looks. If I can get it out, I'll show you. Oh yeah, these are like super pretty. And they are in the shades Topaz, Rose Quartz, and Candlelight. They look really pretty. I've never had any of these before. It's kind of weird, little roller ball. I don't know if you can do swatches of these. Oh, yeah, you can. Okay. I'll do little swatches of each of them. Oh my lord, is this pretty. Okay, first will be the Candlelight closest to my wrist. And then I'll put the, ooh, the Rose Quartz in the middle. And then I'll put the Topaz closer to my elbow. Oh Lord, is that pretty. Hopefully I got these right this time. Look how pretty. You can see those. They're so, like, glittery. I really like those. Awesome. Good find for me. And I only paid $10 for this. The Smashbox highlights, I paid, I'm just want to take this out. I paid $20 for these, I believe. I think they're absolutely beautiful. Okay. And the thing I got for the giveaway was this Wet n Wild Mega Wear Enhance and Define mascara in the color Very Black. I got that for the giveaway. I got quite a few of these little things. Oh, first I'll show you this. I got this really cute little mirror. It's like, has little rhinestones all over it. And it's like double mirrored. It's really cute. I got that for the giveaway. And I got a lot of these Color Mates. They're just a drugstore brand. But I got a, this is in the color Black, and it is a brow and eyeliner pencil. There's two of them for the giveaway. And I got two eyeshadow palettes, just the Color Mate palettes for in the giveaway. One is called, this is Island Oasis, and this is Garden Party. This has some really pretty colors in it. And so does this one. This looks like more like for a smoky eye type thing. I think they're really, really pretty. I got my, I don't think I have this one, but if I do, I'll be giving this in the giveaway. No, I don't. Okay. I got myself just one of those Wet n Wild crease brushes. I have like a lot of the other ones, and for some reason I just really like these ones with the pink tops. I have, oh goodness, let me see. I have all of these. Like every time I see one, like I pick it up. Like I just love these. Like, I love them, love them, love them. But I did get you guys brushes. Get to that. And I got these for the giveaway. I thought they were really cool. I've gotten these before. These are Broadway Vita Lip. I got one mint oil and one rose hip oil. They are lip glosses. I thought they were like pretty nice. I've had them. They are nice. Okay, and I got you for the giveaway another lip gloss. I just thought it was really pretty. It's just, again, the Color Mate. It says, long-lasting, fun, purse-sized lip gloss that also provides moisture to your lips. Our Color Mate's Rainbow Lip Gloss gives light to medium glossy coverage and is made premium quality, moisturizing, paraben-free ingredients. I thought it was really pretty. And I also got, you guys, for the giveaway, this is in bold pink, and it is a lip lacquer. Now, I hope this is not the one that I already had. It is, but this one don't have the package to it. So, you're going to get two. Why this one doesn't have the package, I think it was bent. It was, like, out, almost off. That's why. It's brand new. But yeah, there'll be two of these. I didn't realize that. Okay. I'm going to save that for last. Okay, and moving on to Target. I got myself this. It is so cute. I love these little cups, especially like for bed at night. This says Chase Rainbows. Look how cute. Just look at those little guys on there. How freaking cute is that? Like, oh my goodness. And it has all those little glitters, and it just has the little thing that comes up here. I just thought that was so freaking cute. Okay, now at Target, I also got you guys for the giveaway. What is a giveaway without some hydrating face primer? And I also got, because I did not have this at all anywhere, is the e.l.f. contouring brush and bronzing powder. So you can actually use that for contouring or bronzing. And then you got the blush. And I got this for the giveaway also. It is the Ravishing Rose moisturizing lipstick. And to go with that, I thought this matte lip color in Berry Sherbet, I thought those colors would go really well together, you know, as a lip liner and a lipstick, I thought. And also, in the giveaway box, this one is Mulberry Maven that's in here. So it's kind of, sort of similar. You could probably use that also with the, it would look good with the, so lots of lip products. And I got you guys a, what would a makeup box be without a face mask? I got you the Pretty Animal by Look Beauty Panda Calming Sheet Mask. I thought that was like so cute. It has, it says it contains honey extract, lavender flower water, and Camilla extract. I thought that was really nice. Okay, and I also got, for the giveaway, because I don't have any in there. Actually, I do. There was a few. I pack a set of 3 brushes, but I decided instead of putting this in the giveaway, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to, actually, you know what? Yeah, no, I'm not going to put them in there. We're just going to go with this. I got you a EcoTools 6-piece starter collection, 5 brushes for an everyday look, and it comes with a bonus cosmetic bag, which is cool. It has a concealer brush, a brush with a comb. This is combs the brow and lashes. A spoolie. You even notice that? Yep, a spoolie. An angled liner, a shading brush, and a powder and blush brush. But the bag is like, it looks super cool. Like, you can see the back. The bag. But anyway, so I just throw in a starter set of brushes. And let's see here. Okay, so I got these because I want to, let me see here. I want to send, I remember which one's which. Oh. Okay, I got one for me, and have a friend here on YouTube who also likes stickers, so I thought of him whenever I got these. So I'm just gonna kind of pull the sheets out and mix and match and just send them on over to him in a card. But these are for Mark, aka Klitz. Well, for me and him. I'm gonna, you know, kind of mix and match them. But these are super cute. Like, I got like a little narwhal. I thought they were like absolutely adorable. But that's those ones. There's 200 stickers. But like, oh my goodness. Like, how cute. I thought they were super cute. There's like 4 pages in each one. Okay. And last but not least, this is going in the giveaway. This is the Too Faced Cocoa Powder Foundation. It's in the color Deep Tan, so my fingers that whoever wins this might work for. If not, I figured this would be the best color because you could use it as a bronzer. And I will show you what it looks like. Okay. It's like that. Then it has that. It's the color, so it'd be a nice bronzer, if not a foundation. And then, usually under here, there's a, oh, there it is. Has the little pink pad. But I thought, if not, you know, because I can't really get a foundation for it to match anyone's color, so, you know, this would be good because it can be used as a bronzer also. And I thought it was a good giveaway gift. But, yeah, that's everything I got. And, whew, these shadows just kind of wipe away. Dear Lord. Okay, guys, I'm still going to do a video on Monday or Tuesday. I'm going to do another shopping video, so hopefully I will 100% make sure that I will get it recorded. I won't screw it up. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said yesterday, I really, 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 from the bottom of my heart, appreciate everyone that's supporting me. I think as of now I have 80 subscribers. So once I reach 100, I'm actually going to do a live where I'm going to do a drawing, write everyone's name in there, and I'm going to do a drawing. So the second I hit 100, I will throw another video back up and let everyone know in that video, hey, it's time for the giveaway. And then anyone who wants to enter is just going to have to comment on that particular video. And then the next day, I'll wait till the next day, and then like I'll do a live, and then we'll just, you know, boom, do the drawing. So again, thank you guys so much. If you are not subscribed, please do so and give this video a thumbs up, and also turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And I will see you guys next time.